In today's video, a quick one. Make sure you stay till the end. Don't skip anyone. The most and the top 5 basic. So I said number 1 is your YouTube app. If you're on YouTube and you don't have YouTube app, I don't know how you create your channel. So YouTube app is your number 1. You use your YouTube app to post your video, to see your videos, to check other people and know what is going on the platform. Number 2 app is your CapCut. After filming your video, all this I am displaying them on the screen right here. CapCut is your editor. We have a lot of words. We have a lot of editing apps. This CapCut is another second tool you must have, whether you are new, whether you are old. Why do I mention CapCut? If people who are on YouTube, they are 1 million, I think 500 are using CapCut. Why? Because CapCut, you can use it for free, especially when you are a new person on what? On YouTube. But if you have monetized and you're generating revenue, you can go for the pro. That is the pay part of it. It has the paid aspect. But for newbies, for beginners on YouTube, it has a free part where you can use to do what? To edit your video, so that you don't say, because you don't have money to pay for the pro aspect of it, to purchase the pro part. That is why you've not started. That is why you are not editing your video after shooting your video. No. So CapCut is number 2. Very easy to use, both for new and old. Now, if you have money to pay for the pro, you will go a long way to get more features. Number 3 is what? Another one is your Canva. Canva, I think almost all the content creators are using Canva, especially for your what? Your thumbnail. You can use Canva to do other things, but mainly for your what? For your thumbnail. We use Canva to create an engaging, viral, eye-catchy what? Eye-catchy thumbnail that will make your video to skyrocket, to get high views. Is in Canva you will get that. And Canva has a pro part of it if you have money to pay for it. But if you don't have money, whether you are old or new, you can use your Canva what? For free. I think I use the free aspects, the free part of it, to see an engaging and viral what? Thumbnail I created out there, just with the help of what? Canva. Now, if you want me to do or drop a video on how to create your thumbnail with Canva, drop your comment at the comment section and I will quickly do that. Is what? Your ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT for my scripting. I use ChatGPT for my scripting. Why some people do use what? TubeBuddy. I use ChatGPT both to script for my what? For my video, and also get my thumbnail prompts that I will use in my Canva. Use ChatGPT for what? For your scripting, to look for video ideas. Especially when you are running out of video ideas, you use your ChatGPT or TubeBuddy. Some people also use what? vidIQ. So these tools are the go-to, the basic tools you must have. When I mean you must have, before you can call yourself a content creator. Number 5 is your YT Studio. That is your YouTube Studio app. Without these two, I don't know how you'll be able to check for your analytics, see your subscriber count, see your watch time, see your views, see your engagement, and your revenues. The basic tools you meant to have as a content creator, they are just 5 in number. You might have others as time goes on your phone and all that. But for you to say or hit your chest as a content creator on this platform called YouTube, you must have these 5 basic free apps. Why I made mention of free apps so that you don't say I don't have money. That is why I don't have this app. That is why I'm not using these two. Number one is your YouTube app. Number two is your Canva. Three is your CapCut. Four is your ChatGPT or TubeBuddy or vidIQ. And number five, the last but not the least, is your YouTube Studio. See you for more video and watch out for more video. Bye.